Today, we're going to talk about a common issue that Xbox One and Xbox Series XS users may encounter when trying to launch a game or app. This error, known as 0X873D00, can be frustrating, but fear not, as there are a few potential solutions that may help you resolve it. Firstly, let's try a simple yet effective troubleshooting step. Restarting your console can often fix various issues, including this error. Simply hold down the power button on your Xbox until it turns off completely. After a few seconds, press the power button again to turn it back on. Once your console has restarted, try launching the game or app again to see if the error persists. If the restart didn't do the trick, let's move on to the next solution. Clearing the cache on your Xbox can sometimes resolve this error. To do this, you'll need to power off your console completely. Once it's off, unplug the power cord from the back of the console and wait for at least 10 seconds. After that, plug the power cord back in and turn on your Xbox. Now try launching the game or app again to see if the error has been resolved. If the error still persists, it's time to check for any pending updates. Sometimes outdated software can cause this error to occur. To check for updates, press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide. From there, navigate to the Profile and System tab and select Settings. In the Settings menu, choose System and then Updates. If there are any updates available, make sure to install them. Once the updates are installed, try launching the game or app again to see if the error has been resolved. If none of the previous solutions worked, it's possible that the game or app itself is causing the error. In this case, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the problematic game or app. To do this, press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide. From there, navigate to the My Games and Apps tab and select See All. Find the game or app that's giving you trouble, press the menu button on your controller, the one with 3 lines, and choose Uninstall. Once it's uninstalled, go to the Microsoft Store and reinstall the game or app. After the reinstallation is complete, try launching it again to see if the error has been resolved.